In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch visuals in Power BI with buttons. Start by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer and loading the report you want to enhance. We'll build a clean interactive toggle so viewers can switch between different visuals with a simple click. First, create the visuals you want to switch between. For this example, make a line chart to show the sales trend, a column chart to break down sales by region, and a card to display total sales. Arrange these visuals so they occupy the same space on the canvas, either by stacking them directly on top of each other or by reserving a section where only one will appear at a time. The key idea is that only one visual should be visible while the others remain hidden. If you want precise control over visibility, open the selection pane from the View tab. You can toggle each visual on and off using the eye icons. Align and size your visuals consistently for a smooth switch. Next, set up bookmarks to capture each visual state. Go to the View tab and open the Bookmarks pane. With only the line chart visible and the others hidden, click Add in the Bookmarks pane and rename the bookmark to line chart so it's easy to recognize. If you need to adjust which visuals are shown, use the selection pane again. Repeat the process for the column chart, hide the line chart, show the column chart, then add a new bookmark named column chart. Do the same for the card, ensuring the other visuals are hidden, and add a bookmark named card. Clear names make assigning actions effortless, and if you change anything later, remember to update the bookmark so it captures the latest state. Now create the buttons that will trigger those bookmarks. Go to Insert, choose Buttons, and select Blank. Place the first button where you want your controls to live, then duplicate it for consistency. With a button selected, open Format, edit the button text to match the visual you want it to show, like line chart, column chart, or card. Still in Format, turn Action on, set the type to Bookmark, and choose the matching bookmark from the list. Repeat this for each button, assigning the correct bookmark every time. Time to test. In Power BI Desktop, hold the Control key and click your buttons to switch visuals. In the Power BI Service or Reading view, you can just click normally. If a button isn't responding, make sure Action is on and the correct bookmark is selected. Save your report and you're done. Thanks for watching.